guys, welcome to my channel Wondrous Tarot. Today we are going to talk on the all fire signs, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So we are going to check your energy plus your partner's energy, your love and career life for the remaining days of the August month, that is fortnight, and we are going to see what is going to happen in this remaining 15 days. Plus we are going to see the angels guidance for this current month, for whole month. So let's start with your energy first. So what is your current energy? What's gonna be in this remaining 15 days of the August, the remaining days of the August? What is going to happen in the fire signs life, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius? What's going to happen in the life of the fire signs in this month of August? Okay, Knight of Pentacle, Seven of Swords, Page of Pentacle, Ace of Wand. Oof. So many cards, guys. Okay, so I got the cards. So here I can see that you people are thinking something. If I talk about your careers, it's about something opportunity. You're waiting for some opportunity to get, so that you can go ahead and take the benefit of it. So Page of Pentacles shows that you're having some dreams in your mind and you want to fulfill your dreams. You're having some plans which are trying hard for it. According to this Seven of Wands, you are trying hard. You're going to try hard for this month of August, and you are going to work so hard for this. Maybe some your plans are being secretive. You're not going to tell to anyone here, I feel so, and you are not going to open until and unless it get fulfilled, or it is reached to the some fruition. So here I can see that you are going to take action, some for your career, for your job, or for something, your new dreams or new plans. You are going to take action, and you are going to work on your finances, because I can see that pentacles are there, and you are being secretive about it. You are not going to tell. Plus if I see that you are feeling a bit disappointed somewhere because the plans are not going according to your wish for right now, but I think that's gonna be okay in future, because this is your struggling period. So of course it will take time. You have to work hard, and you will work hard, so that in future months you will get better results. This is about your work life. And if I talk about your love life, so you're waiting for some kind of commitment or some kind of love proposal, or maybe a firm commitment which you have not received yet. So this is making you disappointed. You are missing your partner a lot, and you are being somewhat sad, and this energy I can feel. You are missing him or her very, very much, and it's kind of like you want to talk to that person. Maybe you're not in a connection right now, you're not in contact, you're not talking to each other. If you're talking, then it's a very less conversation. It's not a very usual conversation. You're not talking so often. So I feel that you are expecting some action from your partner. You want that something to happen to this relationship. This relationship reach to some next level, and some kind of action should be taken from your partner. You're waiting for commitment, and you're expecting commitment from your partner. I can feel that, I can see that. And maybe you're putting efforts in your relationship also, or you have already put your relationship in a position where you have already taken so much efforts, and now you are not showing any kind of interest. It's because I think already you have done a lot of work and you have tired of it. You have just exhausted with your efforts. Now you are just missing your partner, watching their pics, missing them, but you're not taking any action from your side, I guess, or because you have already taken efforts in the past. Maybe you're now focusing on your pentacles, that is your money, and you're just secretively keeping all the things in your mind. You're not telling it to anyone about your finances or anything, your plans or dreams. And about your love life, I can see that you're waiting on your partner. You're waiting that he will give your commitment, and then this will come to the next level. So let's see about your partner. This is all about your energy. We will see about your partner's energy here. So what's gonna be your partner's energy for this August month for all fire signs? What's gonna be your partner's energy? Oh, Knight of Wands, very energetic. Where you are very disappointed here. Your partner in the mode of the action. Okay. Emperor. The Magician. Nice cards. Let me take out all the cards, then I will explain all the situation, the entire situation. Strongly Aries, I can feel. Your partner could be also Aries sign. Two more cards, please, angels. Okay, one. Page of Cups. Very passionate. If you are expecting your partner to come, he is going to come. Because of this card, Page of Cups. I want to draw one more card, and then that's it. King of Cups. Bottom of the deck there is a Judgment card. Okay, I'm just keeping it here. So guys, I guess you can see all the cards. Okay, here we are going to talk about your partner's energy first. So from these cards I can say that your partner is now going to come into the responsible position. He is going to be more mature than before. He is now going to behave more maturely rather than showing an attitude or something. Yeah, he has shown he is having ego problem. I can see that he is having some ego problems, but he is being very passionate, and he want to come to you with some he want to talk to you regarding his feelings or regarding his passion, whatever he is feeling about you, because he is feeling very passionately about you, and he is missing you a lot. As you are getting hurt here, you are disappointed. The same, your partner is also hurt here. He is also so much hurt, and now he is into the energy that like awakening. Maybe you people were not talking to each other, which has made him to think a lot about you, and now he is into the energy where he wants to come and propose you for marriage, or maybe a normal commitment or normal proposal, but something is going to happen. He's going to come with some good news. This is also good news card. So this person is now getting awakened. He's going to call you, text you, or message you, and going to tell his feelings, because he was hiding his feelings with the King of Cups. He is having a lot of emotions for you. and but he has not told to you this his feelings, which is gonna be a drastic change is going to come to his life, because that's why he has taken this decision to be a responsible man, a very responsible personality, where he will take the charge of this whole situation, and he will come with some firm commitment also, because this is also a marriage card. Plus the magician, this is also a card which shows that this person is going to take some action, and this would be very unexpected action which you will never expect it from him. Like it could be any time he can arrive, like with some good news, some message, or maybe some surprising events he can come with, and you will get just shocked and surprised what's happening. Like this what I can feel, because this person is missing you passionately. He want to take you on some date or something. He will come with some good news and he will take you on date, and then he will slowly maybe will tell his feelings, maybe because he is hiding his feelings, he is having those feelings for you. So this is gonna happen in this month of August for remaining days. And where you are very disappointed, I just want to say, don't be so much disappointed for these things. Be positive with your own career and love life, plus work on your spirituality. Work more on the spiritual things, do some meditation, chanting, whatever your prayers, and be hopeful, and plus work on your finances, because that's important to heal yourself first, and then these things will definitely going to take place. This person is also going passionate, going crazy for you, so definitely he is going to come to you. Now, as I said, we will see now the angels guidance from this Moonology deck, and you will see what angels are trying to guide you for this month of August, for the remaining days, for the fire signs. Okay, I got 2 cards. Emotions are running high. Emotions are running high, guys. As I said, you are feeling so much disappointed and hurt. So guys, control your emotions. You have to be happy whatever you have. You just be hopeful and positive about the things. There is no need to worry, because if you will run with your emotions like uncontrollably, so this is going to happen like it will not give any solution out of it. So you have to be positive, you have to balance your energy. And the next card says that don't let your past hold you back. So if you are thinking constantly about your past things, please don't do that, because this is not going to give you anything but just anxiety. So I think you have to balance your emotions and think in a positive way. Like, we will see the angel cards here. We will see some guidance from angel cards. Okay, this is the angel card I'm using here. So let's see what angels are guiding from this deck. Yes, so if you're worrying too much about things, whether it is going to take place or not, or how it's going to work, whether this person will come to me or not, whatever question is going in your mind right now, the answer is yes, he is going to come. And helpful people, if you're working on your new project or on your finances, something which is you're worrying about, you just have to be you have to take help from the helpful people, which will help you to make your journey more easier. So I just want to take one more card for you guys. Okay, take action. So
Just don't be so much sit idle or get disappointed. With this card I can feel that you are getting so much disappointed, which is making you pulling you back. So guys, don't do that. It's like, don't hurt yourself. Take action for your career, for your love life, and just be happy. If action is needed, then you have to take action for your career and your own personal life. And if you're waiting for this person, maybe this person is going to take action now for you, and you have to be just wait, and you have to work on yourself till that this person is going to take action for you guys. So just be relaxed, don't worry so much, and be hopeful. All the best. This is all about your reading, guys. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel and like and share. And if you feel, you can just write into the comment box whatever your suggestions are, and keep suggesting me on the in the comment box, and support me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.